To redeem a coupon on Dhgate, start by opening a web browser and typing in Dhgate to access the website. You can also go to dhgate.com directly. Once on the website, you'll see a search bar and options to register or sign in. If you don't have an account, click on Register to create one, or sign in with your email and password if you already have one. After signing in, you can view your recent orders, favorites, and shopping cart. To redeem a coupon, navigate to the section that includes messages, orders, favorites, coupons, reviews, and shipping information, and click on Coupons. This will take you to the Coupon Center, where you can view available coupons and enter a coupon code if you have one. Simply type the code into the designated field and click Add to apply the coupon. You can also view new coupons and those that are about to expire. By following these steps, you can easily redeem a coupon on Dhgate and take advantage of available discounts.